Hello everyone, I am Abhiram, a ServiceNow developer at Palni. Today I am going to explain how to create tables in ServiceNow Studio. We can create tables in two ways. Creating a table from the ServiceNow platform with extending a and without extending table. Creating a table from ServiceNow Studio with extending and without extending table. In this video we will see both methods using the ServiceNow Studio. Okay, creating a table by extending a table. First, open your instance and in the application navigator, search for Studio under System Application, ServiceNow Studio. Click on it. This opens a studio in a new tab. Before creating a table, first we need to create a custom application. For that, click on Create and click on App. Select the app. Then select on your own. Continue. Enter the name, table, creation, and select the scoped version. Then click on continue. Custom application. Now you can add the role required roles. Then click on continue. The Now the custom application is created successfully, and I want to create a file to create a table first. For that, click on table here and click on continue. Then select a create a blank table. Continue. Now choose create from a extended table and click on continue and search for a task table. Select it. Continue. Extending the task table, the new table automatically inherits fields like number, state, priority assigned to. Now enter the table details, table label, facilities, click the auto number value, continue. Assign the roles and permissions, click on continue. Now the table is created successfully. Click on edit table for editing the table. Now I want to see a proper view. For that, click on the top three dots. Click on advanced view. This is a proper table view. Scroll down to related links and click on show form. Customize this layout. Navigate to the form design. And I don't want this work notes, and I want to add this description in the top. After changing the all requirements, click on save. And go back, refresh the form. Reopen the show form and you will see that all the changes are applied here. This is how we create a table with extending a table. Now we are going to create a table without extending any table. Let us create a standalone table. I don't want to use any other custom application. I use the same custom application for that, and I want to create a new table in this application. For that, at the top, plus icon, click on it for creating a new file. Click on table, continue, next. Create a blank table, next. I don't want to any extend table. Create a new table and give a name as facilities 2 and check the auto number. Continue. The roles and permissions. Continue. Since the table does not extend any existing tables, you must manually create all fields. To do that, click on edit table. And at the top, three dots, click on it and select the advanced view. Scroll down to related links. Click on show form. You can see that there is no fields except number because it is automatically generated. Now add a field such as state priority assigned to description. For that, configure form design. I want to add a string field. And reference field. A string field name as description. And the reference field name it as assign to. Since it is a reference field, I want to give a reference to user table. Then click on save. Go back to the record, reload it. Again, reopen the form by clicking the show form. Here you can see that our newly created fields are visible without extending any task table. That's how we create a table in ServiceNow Studio by both extending a table and without extending any table. Thank you.